can't really do much if she's still here. Sorry about that, no worries. 17-inch mid 2009 Core 2 Duo E1297 running macOS Monterey OPENCORE Legacy Patcher. I'm gonna boot this up then show you. No, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward to install macOS Monterey on this, but don't expect the best performance. I'm not sure why this model is even slower than the MacBook Pro 17-inch early 2008. So this is the mid 2009. I'll show you later. We'll do a speed test, a boot speed test, this and the E1261. This is also running on SSD. I think the max memory that you can upgrade is 8GB, 1067 MHz or 1066 or 1333, up to you. So if you have this model lying around, how I usually will say, why not give it a lease of life? There you go. Well, this Mac, not sure if I press about this Mac. So about this Mac, okay, there you go. Mid 2009 A1297 running macOS Monterey 12.3. So I already show you how you can actually install Monterey. Pretty straightforward. You just need a unused USB flash drive. First you need to create the macOS Monterey USB installer, and then you will have to patch using OPENCORE Patcher. So once all is done, you do the installation, macOS installation. Only the macOS installation setup will be a bit laggy. That's about it. So you will need to be patient, and then once you patch everything, install the drivers, it will work just fine. This video is brought to you by macx Video Converter Pro. macx Video Converter Pro, your must-have tool for 4K Ultra HD video converting. Convert, edit, record and resize videos at #1 fast speed. Convert any media with the largest codec library. You can save video, audio from 1000 plus sites. You can also record video from Mac's built-in camera or webcam. Reduce 4K HD video file size by 90% smaller. Basically, you can use most of the features in it. So before you actually decide to purchase, you can trial anytime you want. Okay, this is the feature that I would recommend most of you guys to use, the YouTube downloader within the app. So I'm gonna go to my channel and choose a video which I want to download. Just copy the link and paste on the app. You can also choose different formats. So I'm just gonna choose the most basic format. It will just take a few seconds depending on the length of the video for it to complete. So I'm just gonna format the video recommended by the software. Again, you don't even need to worry about losing quality, even if it's 90% smaller. You can download the trial version or purchase the ultimate license at $51.95. I'll place all the links in the description box down below. I recommend you guys to get this model unless you already own this model, by all means. But if you plan to buy this model, to be honest, I wouldn't even recommend you. I would prefer you get the 2008 A1261, 2010 or 2012, but there's no 17-inch model for 2012. The last 17-inch is the 2011, the most problematic MacBook Pro with failing graphic card. I'll feature most of the Mac models which are obsolete, vintage, that can run the latest OS. Feature every single model as possible, so not just Macs, there will be a lot more, not just Mac. Do take note, we're not all about Macs, alright, but Macs are worth collecting. It's worth your time tinkering, learning to program, learning to repair, learning to code, learning to mod as well. So we'll do all that in this channel. I'll try my best to show you how, so you just have to subscribe, that's all. Alright, hopefully you enjoy macOS Monterey on this model. If you don't like it, you can always downgrade to Big Sur or Catalina. I think that should be all. Stay tuned to our next video. Take care.